In this video, let's introduce some different way to make screenshot or window shot. The first is to make a copy of like an area of the screen. For example, I got an email from my friend Ted with a beautiful picture. So we can do like hold on 3 keys, use our left fingers, Command, Control, and Shift. Now press number 4 key. So you see, the cursor will become a crosshair. So we can make an area and then release. Okay, so say I want to email out this screenshot, so I can create my new email and I can paste. So right click, paste, or I can just Command V. If we want to restart, we can press escape key to get rid of it. Okay, now try it again. Command, Control, Shift, and 4. Now we can move the cursor to grab, right, an area. But what if I want to automatically copy this window? There's an easy way. Hold on Command, Control, and the Shift key using our left hand, and now use our right hand to press number 4 key. Now we get that, and we can release all the fingers and press spacebar. You see, the cursor changed to a camera. Then we can click. Okay, now let's see what we got. So let's delete. Okay, we can put it under that. Command V to paste. You see? Now we get this whole window. We can also paste the thing in our text edit. Text edit. So, new document. Let's say, so, Alt, Command, Control, Shift key, then press key 4, and we can paste here like that. Convert, doesn't matter, right? Oh, a cool feature of text edit is we can edit this one, markup. So we can draw some hand writing thing here, and then we can press spacebar to change the cursor to camera, so we can make a screenshot for a window.